Let's take a look at some best practices for setting up Facebook business pages. First, it's important to have more than one person assigned to manage your Facebook page, in case the profile of the person who created it is ever compromised. Under the Page Roles tab in Settings, you can choose from different roles with varying degrees of access to page functions. Include at least 2 administrators to manage all aspects of the page, and add editors, moderators, advertisers, and analysts as needed. Under Page Settings, you can control the public's ability to tag your photos, post to your page, and reach out to you via private message. Allowing people to post to your page and tag photos is a great way to allow your community to interact with your brand. However, this may require a lot of moderation for pages with many followers, so consider disabling this feature if you aren't able to monitor your timeline daily. If you choose to let other people post to your page, you can take preemptive measures to filter out inappropriate comments or posts. The profanity filter blocks comments with offensive language, and under page moderation, you can block specific words so that comments and posts including them are automatically marked as spam. If you see a competitor with an impressive Facebook strategy, you can learn from them by using a handy feature called Pages to Watch under the Insights tab. Once you add 5 or more pages, you can see how yours stacks up against the competition based on reach, weekly audience growth, posting volume, and the number of engagement interactions. Clicking on the page title will bring up the top posts on that page for the week, which is great content to review for ideas and inspiration.